Hey everyone, welcome back to the �MonaZine. Today we are not just painting, we are turning a simple piece of wood into a piece of history. I am going to show you how I hand painted this King of Spades tea coaster using acrylics. But while I paint, I want to share the secret history behind the face card we all know. Because who is this king really? Let's grab our brush and find out. We see this face card every day, but they actually have specific identity. In the French tradition from the 16th century, each king represents a famous historical ruler, the King of Spades, that is traditionally associated with King David of Israel. For this coaster, I wanted to keep that classic, bold aesthetic you see in bicycle decks, flat color and heavy symbols. I am using acrylics because they dry fast and layer beautifully, which is perfect when you are working on a small surface like a drink coaster. Here is another fun fact. Where I fill in the crown, have you ever noticed that the King of Spades is usually the only king facing to the right? Do you know why? In some tradition, they symbolize looking forward, the future or action. I am using a fine liner brush for these small patterns. If you are trying this at home, steady your hand by painting your pinky finger on the table. It acts like a kickstart for your brush. Now for the most satisfying part, the black outlines. This is where the painting actually wake up. Did you notice how the thick black line make the red and gold pop? It gives it the wood block paint look that old playing cards are famous for. Don't worry if your lines are not perfect. It will look good. Give your all the love to paint this coaster. Since this little guy is going to be holding hot tea and cold drinks, this last step is not negotiable. I am applying a waterproof varnish to seal the acrylic color. This will ensure the king doesn't get ruined by a water ring. And there he is, the King of Spades, ready for tea time. I hope you enjoy this mix of art and history. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe to the �MonaZine for more art that tells a story. Let me know in the comment section which part of history you like most. Also, if you know any another historical information, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.